Hi, I'm Brad from Williams-Sonoma, and today I'm pleased to introduce you to Breville's Super Q, a high-performance blending appliance that you can use in the kitchen to create so many different recipes. You can do green smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and so much more. Let me start by showing you how to grind your own grain at home. I'm going to start by pouring this into my carafe. I'm going to use the variable speed setting, and I'm going to crank it up to full blast. If you need to be gluten-free. This is a really great tool to use at home. Next, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use the frozen dessert button, and this time I'm gonna make some nice ice cream. I'm gonna start by adding a ganache that I've already prepared. Milk, followed by the cocoa powder, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and finally, dry milk. Get my ice into the mixture. All right, and just like that, ready to serve. Next, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a smoothie. And I wanna take this one on the go, so I'm gonna switch out the big carafe and use the personal carafe instead. Once it's done, just invert this, put the flip top cap on, I'm ready to go. Next, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own fresh and healthy nut butters at home. And I'm gonna add my almonds. I also have a pinch of salt. You can really smell it. It smells delicious. Another favorite of mine to make in the Super Q is a hot soup. Today I'm gonna make a tomato soup. So let's get started. We'll go ahead and add my garlic and onion mixture here. And then we'll add tomatoes, some vegetable broth, some heavy cream, and my dry ingredients. Next, all I have to do is hit the soup setting, and we're ready to go. Wow, it smells delicious, and it's ready to serve. And just like that, I have a hot soup, and I hardly had to look over it at all. It's time to clean up. Let me show you how. I'm gonna add some warm water, a couple drops of soap, and I will press the cleaning button here on the panel. So after the clean cycle is complete, I can just rinse out the dirty water, and I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed learning all about the Breville Super Q blender. Visit williamsonoma.com to find more great recipes that you can create in the Breville Super Q blender.